A very warm welcome to all of you guys. I am Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are exploring Dji. I hope you all are having a great time. And today's video is like wow. It's just every creator dream who are creating a video on YouTube. Today, finally, we got a drone in our hands. So here is the box, जो कि अभी डिलीवर हुआ है और अभी मॉर्निंग के करीब 9 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे। काफ़ी दिनों से मैं सोच रहा था एक ड्रोन हो जाए अपने YouTube चैनल के लिए और फाइनली वो दिन आ गया। तो वी आर हैविंग अ ड्रोन। सो हियर इज़ अ ड्रोन। हम जो है अभी अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहे हैं। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये ड्रोन मैंने YouTube के पैसे से ख़रीदा है ना, क्योंकि मेरा चैनल अभी तक के मोनेटाइज नहीं हुआ है और ये जो ड्रोन है ये अपनी सेविंग से ख़रीदा हुआ है। So don't think that I bought this drone with the YouTube money. So this is the savings which we bought. So without wasting a time, let's do the unboxing. This is the package I get delivered here in Indonesia. And for how much price I bought this drone, I will give the screenshot or I will give the text title on this video. Or you can find the link below in the description to buy this drone. Without wasting a time, let's do the unboxing of the drone. This is my first drone and I wait for 1 year for this drone. So without wasting a time, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so we got this Spark combo controller and one extra battery. So when I bought this, I seen first that I get one extra battery. So I got this one extra battery and let's see what we get inside this box. This is sealed pack. It's not open. So this is already sealed. And let's open the seal now. Excited to open this because as I told you that this is every creator's dream to have a drone for his YouTube channel. And here are some documentation. Okay, so this is for the warranty. The distributor, I get this. This is in Indonesian language. Okay, so the distributor given this is in Indonesian, so this is in Indonesian language. So just for the convenience of Indonesian people, so they give this guide for Indonesian people.
Down to the ground,
We will keep this aside.
your dragon is constantly.
Time
No, I
open the
won't make a
box.
sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
1, 2. This is the battery which I already told you, and these 3 box which I got inside this box, and obviously this will be drone. And this is the controller. Type-C to micro USB cable. Oh, so they given 2 cables. So these are the 2 cables which they given inside the box. And I think so this will be the charger. Oh, DJI charger.
As you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue.
Charging cable via USB. And some booklets which is the usual menu, how to fly and how to start this drone in so many languages they have. So this was the controller which we got. So let me arrange properly to show you that what we got inside this pack. And you get some extra pairs of propellers inside this. These are some extra pairs of propellers. Oh, even only two. So I got only two extra propellers in this combo. So this is the DJI Spark. I will remove the peel off. I peel off this cover from the lens and from the front sensor. So this is the front sensor and this is the camera gimbal. Peel off the protection film from the remote controller. And this is the remote controller of DJI. So really fantastic moment for me to have a drone in my hand, because again I can tell you that how beautiful it is. So this is the unboxing of the DJI Spark. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon. In that case, the upcoming videos, obviously the upcoming videos are coming really soon, because I was just waiting for this gadget to show you the aerial view of Surabaya and here in Indonesia, because it's really beautiful here. So that's it for unboxing of DJI Spark. So thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Stay aware, stay conscious and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.